people of Rivers State, and in particular my beloved local government, Obio local government area. I am Right Honorable Achor Nna, the leader of Obio Legislative Council. Today, I have come, based on my personal conviction, to tender my resignation as a leader of the Legislative Council of Obio local government and as a councillor representing the good people of Ward 9, comprising of Rumu-Epirikom and Elioparanwa. Permit me, O Lord, permit me to formally read out this to Mr. Chairman. The Executive Chairman, Obio local government area, through Mrs. Rosemary Graham, Clerk of the House, Obio Legislative Council, Sir, letter of resignation as leader, Obio Legislative Council, and as a councillor representing Ward 9, Rumu-Epirikom and Elioparanwa precisely. Let me begin by thanking you, the leadership, and the good people of Ward 9 in particular, and Obio local government area in general, for this great opportunity to serve as the leader of our dear local government legislative council. Permit me to also thank specifically His Excellency Chief Barrister E.N. Wike, GSS ROS, POS Africa, Life Venture, and the Minister of FCT for primarily giving me the opportunity to represent him as a councillor in his ward before ascending to the position of the leader of the Legislative Council. Having said this, Mr. Chairman, I must respectfully inform you hereunder that I have, by this notice, resigned my position as the leader of the Legislative Council and as a councillor representing the good people of Ward 9. Mr. Chairman, this resignation is here therefore born out of my personal conviction to align with the truth in the face of the current political issues in Rivers State, coupled with the unwarranted intimidation, marginalization, coercion, bullying, and arm twisting from some leaders of our dear LGA. Senator Gino Maye once said, if you say the truth, you die. If you lie, you die. Better to say the truth and die. Mr. Chairman, I want to align myself with the progressive mind to liberate and develop Rivers State in tune with a simplified movement. Let it be known, Mr. Chairman, that this resignation will never negate my earlier resolve to work in consonance with Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. I will support the state government in any way to aid the dream of Mr. President, as well as enrich and engender peace, development, empowerment to Rivers people. Once again, I remain grateful to the leadership of Ward 9. God bless the good people of Ward 9. God bless the good people of Obio local government. God bless our dear party, the People's Democratic Party. Thank you.